In this video, I will show you how to like a game on Roblox Mobile. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Roblox on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, select the game that you want to like. You can find it on your home page, or you can use the search icon at the top to search for the experience. Just a quick note, you can only like experiences that you've actually played on the Roblox mobile app. Now, I'm going to open up the experience to bring up the information about the game. On the games page, if you scroll down slightly, you'll see the thumbs up and thumbs down section. To like the game, simply press the thumbs up button. If you want, you can also press the thumbs down button to dislike it. Next, if you scroll to the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them and a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you can add the game to your favorites by pressing the star icon. This will save the game to your favorites, making it easier to find in the future. And that's it. That's how you like a game on Roblox Mobile. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video and consider subscribing to the channel.